Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is one of the four earliest civilizations of the world, along with the civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China. The civilization forms part of the proto-history of India and belongs to the Bronze Age. The most accepted period is 2500 to 1700 BC, which was determined by the carbon-14 dating method. Nomenclature of Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is also known as the Harappan Civilization and the Saraswati Sindhu Civilization. As far as the geographical spread of this civilization is concerned, the civilization covered parts of Sindh, Baluchistan, Afghanistan, West Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and Maharashtra. Town planning. Though it was not uniform, it had various unique features such as streets, underground drainage system, lampposts, the great bath, the granaries, etc. Streets. They were laid in grid pattern or systems, that is, streets cutting across one another at right angles, dividing the town into large rectangular blocks. The towns were divided into two parts, the upper part or citadel and the lower part. The fortified citadel on the western side housed public buildings and members of ruling class. Below the citadel on the eastern side lay the lower town inhabited by the common people. Underground drainage system connected all the houses to the street drains made of mortar, lime and gypsum. They were covered with either brick or stone slabs and equipped with its manhole. This shows developed sense of health and sanitation. The Great Bath. The Great Bath. It was used for religious bathing. Steps at either end leads to the surface. There were changing rooms alongside. The granaries. 6 granaries in a row were found in the citadel at Harappa. Houses were made up of burnt bricks. They were often 2 or more storied, varied in size, with a square courtyard around, which had a number of rooms. Windows did not face the main streets. They had tiled bathrooms. Lampposts were erected at regular intervals. It indicates the existence of street lights. Agriculture. It was the backbone of the civilization. The soil was fertile due to the inundation in the river Indus and flooding. The Indus people sowed the seeds in the floodplains in November when the flood water receded and reaped their harvests of wheat and barley in April before the advent of next flood. They used wooden plowshare and stone sickles for harvesting. The crops produced by them were wheat, barley, dates, peas, sesame, mustard, millets, ragi, bajra and jawar. At Lothal and Rangpur, rice husks were also found. They were first to produce cotton in the world, which Greek called as Sindon, derived from Sindh. A fragment of woven cotton cloth was found at Mohenjo-daro. Well irrigation is evident from Aladinho dams and irrigation canals from Dholavira. Sugar cane was not known to the Indus people. Domestication of animals. Animal rearing was practiced, evident from the discovery of the humped bull. They domesticated buffaloes, oxen, sheep, asses, goats, pigs, elephants, dogs, cats, etc. Camel bones are reported at Kalibangan and remains of horse from Surkotada. Art and craft. Harappans used stone tools and were well acquainted with bronze. Bronze was made by mixing copper with tin. Bead making and jewelry of gold, silver, precious stones were made. Cotton fabrics were used in summers and woolen in winters. Both men and women were very fond of ornaments and dressing up. Pottery, both plain or painted pottery, was made. Pots were decorated with human figures, plants, animals, and geometrical patterns, and ochre was painted over it. Seals were made of steatite pictures of one-horned bull, buffalo, tiger, rhinoceros, goat, and elephant are found on the seals. They marked ownership of property. Religious practices. Chief female deity. A terracotta figure where a plant is shown growing out of the embryo of a woman represents the mother goddess. Chief male deity. Pashupati Mahadeva, the proto Shiva, represented in seals as sitting in a yogic posture on a low throne and having 3 faces and 2 horns. He is surrounded by an elephant, a tiger, a rhino, and a buffalo, and 2 deers appear at his feet. Lingam and yoni worship was prevalent. In this, people believed in ghosts and evil spirits and used amulets for protection against them. Fire altars are found at Lothal and Kalibangan. Evidence of snake worship is also found. Script. It was pictographic in nature. Fish symbol is most represented. Overlapping of the letters show that it was written from right to left in the first line and then from left to right in the second line. This style is called boustropheden. Trade. Agriculture, industry, and forest produce provided the basis for internal and external trade. Trade was based on barter system. Coins were not evident. Bullock carts, pack animals, and boats were used for transportation. Weights and measures were made of limestone, steatite, etc., generally in cubical shape. They were in multiple of 16. Foreign trade flourished with Mesopotamia or Sumeria, Central Asia, Persia, Afghanistan, and Bahrain. Lothal, Surkotada, Sukta Gendor, Prabhas, Bhatrao, Kalibangan, Dholavira, Daimabad were coastal towns of the civilization. Major exports were agricultural products, cotton goods, terracotta figurines, pottery, steatite beads, ivory products, conch shell, copper, etc. Decline of the civilization. The Harappan culture flourished about till 1800 BC, then it began to decline. There is no unanimity among historians regarding the exact reason for the decline of this urban civilization. There are many different theories that show the decline of the Indus culture. Various theories regarding the decline of the civilization are external aggression, inundation, epidemic, tectonic disturbances, sudden decline, climatic change, deforestation, scarcity of resources, ecological imbalances, floods, the destruction due to change in course of river Ghagar.